Welcome to AppStyle Plus. If you want to switch themes using Tailwind CSS built-in color palette, you can dynamically apply Tailwind's utility classes for colors. Here is how you can do it with Tailwind's color system. You don't need to extend the configuration unless you are adding custom colors. So this is our HTML page. We've got few buttons with the title dark, blue, green, light for theme switching. Let's use Tailwind CSS via CDN. Now you can see Tailwind CSS being applied at the page. In the body tag, I have applied BG white and text black classes from Tailwind CSS. So we have got buttons to change theme to dark, blue, green, light from Tailwind CSS built-in color palette. So let's create an object of themes in JavaScript. This is our object, themes, with the keys light, dark, blue, green. For now, we are using background and text color for each theme. For light, background BG white, text black. These are classes from Tailwind CSS. For dark, BG gray 900. For text white. For blue, BG blue 500 and text white, and so on. The theme object defines the background and text color classes for each theme using Tailwind's color palette. Because we've got our object and body has got these default classes. We want to switch these classes based on relevant button click. Notice each button has a data theme attribute that corresponds to a key in the themes object. For example, this button has got data theme dark, and dark is in fact a key in our themes object. So we want to do this. On button click, the current theme classes should be cleared from the body element and new theme classes should be applied from the theme object. For example, if I click this button with data theme green, from this themes object, these classes should be applied, BG green and text white. Here. So to do that, inside script, let's get all the buttons in a variable. Theme button is the class on each button, theme button. Let's get the body element, body document.body. And then for each button click, get that button, get the theme name from that button by using button.dataset.theme. Dataset is a property of HTML elements that provides a way to access attributes that start with data dash, like this, data dash theme. This is a dataset. In this dataset, we've got blue, green, light, and dark. So our element is button. On all the buttons, this dataset has been applied with the name theme. So if I click, let's say this button with the data dash theme blue, from this themes object, values for this key should be selected and these classes, BG blue 500 text white, should be applied in place of these classes. On each button click, we have got the dataset. Now in this variable, dataset value is stored. Next, we are clearing all the classes from the body. Then we are adding classes in body element and those classes will come from themes object, like themes.theme.background, themes.themename, and then background and text. So new classes are being added based on button click. So based on selected theme, I'm adding classes for background and text from the theme object. If I get green, the theme changes to green, blue, dark, light. It is working beautifully. With small effort, you can create very interesting theme switcher in Tailwind CSS. This example is just an idea that can be extended into a bigger implementation. But anyways, there are several other ways to achieve this or similar results. If you have something in mind, ask it away in comments. I might create more videos on this topic because I have few more ideas related to this. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.